Sectra offers an extensive toolset for musculoskeletal measurements and orthopedic preoperative planning. Both 2D and 3D tools are available, and they can normally be accessed from any IDEA 7 workstation. The 2D tools are found in the toolbar or by right-clicking a 2D image and selecting Ortho MSK. The 3D tools are also found in the toolbar or by right-clicking a stack, like a CT series, and selecting 3D trauma, 3D joint, or 3D spine. This will render the stack in 3D and launch the tools. If your screen resolution is too low to display the entire toolbar or right-click menu, use the drop-down arrow to access the part of the menu that doesn't fit on screen. If the commands to launch the tools are missing, or if parts of them are disabled, this is most commonly due to configurations, but can also be because they were not included in the delivery. Contact your local PACS team to find out which, or contact Sectra if you don't know how to contact your PACS team. Sectra offers two image viewing applications, the lightweight Uniview Universal Viewer and the more advanced PACS Workstation IDEA 7. Tasks such as musculoskeletal measurements and orthopedic preoperative planning are carried out in IDEA 7. To open IDEA 7 from Uniview, choose More Options, followed by View in IDEA 7. This will start IDEA 7 with the same patient and examination you were working on in Uniview. If you need to get in contact with Sectra, you can always reach us by mail via info.ortho@sectra.com.